Hello everyone, I hope you guys doing amazing out there. Today's video is just about a trip we made to Den Haag. Me and Jay went to Den Haag. Guys, then we discovered this market. Guys, the food was so delicious. It cost us less than 10 euros. I can say this market is one of the biggest markets in Europe, guys. So if you manage to get to Amsterdam or Den Haag, the train journey from Amsterdam to Den Haag is less than 2 hours. So guys, check it out and let me know what you think of the food video, guys. If you enjoy something like this, please continue watching and share the video with multiple people. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Going to have this fish down here and then some prawns for Jay. Oh my god, the fish looks so delicious. Look at that. Is that calamari, yeah? Wow. Spicy, hot spicy, a lot of them, yeah? Wow. That's how they're making it.
Garnalen nee, hoe groot? Zandbak nee. Met hem willen nee. Yes. Sorry. Ik maak dat. Ja, dankjewel. 16,50.
Wow, it's very nice.
Yes.
Thank you. How much? Thank you very much. Oh, 6.75, man. Look at this baby. It's delicious looking. Wow.
Yes, thank you so much.
Sherry. What?
You bought that monkey thing.
Okay. Thank you, Jay.
You buy food I don't eat and then share mine.
We need more mayo.
Being greedy, I haven't started eating it yet. No, you said you wouldn't order more.
What kind of clothes?
There's a whole,
So this is a prawn, yeah? We used to have the chicken.
yeah. There's a whole Den Hague out there.
So guys, so on Saturdays, you come to the market, you have the prawns, the fish, what else do you have? Chips.
Chips, donuts, bread.
All sorts.
These are divine.
This food cost us €6.50.
Don't get it in my dress. No.
It's very nice, but it's just normal fresh fish, no spicy. You want to try it? But this is divine.
I wasn't sharing the other because I didn't like it. Well, these are cold, the other ones were warm.
These are 12 euros.
We're going to be really full after this.
What time is dinner?
8.
We need a lot of walking.
I need some water.
Water.
I didn't drink anything, did
You want to grab water?
we? That's in the back. Yeah?
That's salt.
Yeah. Have these as well. It's like a crab stick.
Oh, okay.
The prawns are my frozen nice.
It's not that nice.
Huh?
It's not that nice, is it?
No.
What is this?
Mussel.
Mussels. They're fried.
Yeah.
There's a lot of walking. People have some problem. Is it nice?
I am so full.
A lot of seafood.
2 kilo, 15 euro.
Big fish market. Wow. It's fresh, eh?
Waar is die van? Is die er? Dit is een opa. Oh, je opa? Ja. Inshallah. Maar ik kom altijd naar Rotterdam, want ik leuk in Rotterdam. Elke keer dan, hè? Je wacht voor 2 dagen. Alsjeblieft. Zoeken, stemmen. Hi. Ja. Kom maar met je.
Yeah, brother.
Hello, how are you?
How are you?
I'm very good.
I'm good,
Nice
man.
market.
Okay, man.
Look at his heel, he's big. Woo! Oh, we'll be buying a lot of seafood. It's very nice. Oh my god. Oh, I'm hungry. Oh my god.
Nasıl? Başka bir şey var mı? İçecek ister misin? 3 tane. Yok.
O wyjdzie albo coś.
My cheese. And 3 avocados. Take it home. Take it to the hotel. Look like. Wow, my sis.
35 per kilo, brother.
Wow. It's big, huh?
A little bit expensive, but it's
It's very good, yeah.
yeah.
Oh wow, look at that. Back. It's raining. I'm having my sugarcane juice. It's very tasty. Hello, good morning.
Well, that dish is going to be transported in lemon.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh, sorry, you've got my shopping. Obviously, we'll throw the box away.
you done, yeah?
I think so.
Yeah.
Unless you want something.
No. I'm zoned out. Alright, so guys, that was amazing.
So we need to get a tram.
Yeah,
Tram number 1
yeah.
or tram number 15.
So
Tram number 15 is delayed.
it is delayed.
We
Alright.
don't know where to get any of them.
Alright, so that was the end of the market tour. If you did enjoy this video,
Okay,
please
that's
make
tram
sure
4.
make sure you like the video and subscribe for more content like this. From Den Haag market, the biggest market in Europe. Thank you so much. Shopping. Bye bye. See you guys. Our next stop is Squee. Then from there we walk 8 minutes to get to the hotel. So guys, so far so good. Amazing day. It wasn't raining. I mean, it was raining, but we managed to squeeze ourselves in the market. So guys,
Sorry, I thought I lost the umbrella.
the umbrella is in the bag. Yeah. What's in the bag?
The umbrella.
Shopping. Alright, so guys, we're here. Let's go out and get to the hotel. Busy.
I think that's probably the busiest tram I've been.
Yeah. This tram is rammed. you have to squeeze and get your seat. The tram is gone. Bye bye tram. Bye bye. Bye bye.